So in this tutorial, we'll be talking about this chapter which covers the Numpy library, which is basically a library that makes it possible for us to create multidimensional arrays and matrices. And once we talk about the library a little, we'll demonstrate basic operations and manipulations on this library's objects. But first, I think I should show something which I should have shown a long time ago. So what we're going to do is we're going to install an auto-completion package designed for Python. So this will save us a lot of time and effort because it'll give us auto-completion suggestions from functions and methods from certain modules and such. Instead of just before, as I did before, or I manually wrote a lot of things and just had autocomplete for repeating text that I wrote before. So now I'll just show you how to install this package. So we're gonna head over to Tools and go to Command Palette. Oops, not scripts, not snippets. Command Palette. Now I already have it installed here because I searched it before. So we're going to go to Install and click Package Control. Package Control Install Package. And then you'll get a repository of all the available packages in Sublime Text. The one we need is called Jedi. So we're going to search for it. Here, it's not coming up for me because I already have it installed. So you just type in Jedi. It's called Jedi Python Autocompletion Python or something like that. And once you click it, it'll install. And then you can open it right here. Now, if it doesn't work from the start, you just restart, close Python, open it again. So restart Python. So you just open settings default to make sure it's running. Okay, now it's running. All right, so now that that's out of the way, we'll show you how to install the Numpy library through something that's called pip. Pip is basically an executable used for installing external modules in Python on a Windows machine. So we're going to have to find it in its directory. So it's located in the scripts folder in the Python directory. So we're going to have to find Python itself. So we're going to just find in the start menu py or whichever way you want. You just find the executable file. Here's Python. You can head over to scripts. And as you can see here, here's pip. So we're going to need this path because we're going to need to run pip, this exe, through the command prompt. So we're going to just type cmd or whatever, command prompt, press enter. So we're going to utilize the command cd, which changes directory and then you can type, to save time, you just type in the starting letter of whichever folder. So app data, so type in A, tab, find it until you find app data. And then you do the same thing for all the sort of water through the waterfall, through the cascading of folders. So you just do app data, then you do local, then you do cd programs, not this pip, that's not the right one. Programs, cd, python p, python, cd again, p python, and then finally cd scripts. All right, so in this folder we have pip. So if you type p, then tab to autocomplete, you'll get pip. You can use pip 3.5 or pip 3, whatever. It's all the same. But let's just use a regular pip. Okay, so pip has a command. After you type in pip, you have the install command. This will allow us to install modules. All right, so then we type in numpy. After that, we press enter. Now, I already have it because I was testing it before, but if you don't have it, you'll get a download prompt with a progress bar and everything, and then it'll install it for you automatically. All right, so we can close all this. Close this too. All right, and then you're going to have to restart Sublime Text. Now, I don't have to because I already have it installed, but just when you do, restart Sublime Text. So now that we have everything set up, we're good to go. And I think I'll continue next time keep this tutorial kind of short. So we hope to see you then.